We went some bird hunting. We got this nice looking bird right here. See my dad's peering the off. Yeah. Let me show you what we got. These are the one that my dad was holding. What are you doing that, Dad? And then, hey, what are these, Dad? And then here's the deer and the thing. We'll be eating them and the guy, we went hunting and Buddy, what we got is these birds with some ears and this is what it looks like. This is how you hear a bird. First, we didn't want to do this. Put the bottom open. So the guts out like that. And then for the meat, we're like this. And then this is what here. So we're gonna be eating that. So turn on kids, you're right. But it's kind of good. If you use it, you probably go with care. So much better. Video, peace.
This explosion triggered a real earthquake.